Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Expert Crypto. We're going to be talking about in this video specifically what opportunities are going to be available for you on this channel. There's going to be quite a lot, so I hope you guys really do take the opportunity to take advantage of the opportunities that are going to be on hand for all of you. Without further ado, let's get into the first thing. All right, what does this channel have to offer? We have really built an amazing team over the past few months. I've really put a lot of time into helping you guys try and get the best opportunities you can to be successful in the market. It's been hard. It's been a little bit of a struggle. A lot of hours, hundreds, if not thousands, literal thousands of hours have been put into building courses, building tutorials, building books, getting a whole YouTube schedule put together, making indicators for all of you guys, and all of this stuff is going to be free. I hope you guys do take advantage of it, and it's really some of the best content that you guys are going to be able to get out there on YouTube. Kind of the first thing I want to go over is the trading course. Okay, so there's going to be a trading course that's going to be available for each and every one of you guys for free. Going to be on YouTube. Going to have books that go along with this. But the course is supposed to be taken, I would say, one book at a time. And, around 96% of people fail trading. It's because it's not a winning game. You guys rush into it. You're not prepared. You don't have any sort of structure, any sort of strategy, or really any sort of edge. And this is a great course for you guys to take. I can guarantee you, if you take your time with it and if you really practice and you put in the time, you can become successful trading. A lot of it has to do with patience. I really want you guys to have the patience to put some more time into trading before actually entering the markets yourself. That's going to be a big thing that we talk about throughout the channel. And the next sort of course that is going to be available also, depending on when you're watching this video, this course is probably already going to be out on YouTube, so hopefully you take advantage of it. But we're also going to have the long-term course. These courses, by the way, are specifically targeted towards crypto, but I would say the long-term course is more targeted towards crypto, as crypto is a beast of its own in many certain ways that will be explained in that book. But with technical analysis, it's the same across every single market. For the most part, 24/7 crypto markets are open. That differs from a few other things, but for the most part, you're going to have the same sort of technical analysis. But the real foundation and the exchanges, the kind of research tools that you're going to use in crypto are 1,000% different than anything you would in another market. So a lot of interesting stuff is going to be happening in that book and course. Some of the best info that you guys really could ever hear is going to be through these courses. So I'm excited for you guys to have the ability to, take these for free. It's going to be a cool thing to see a lot of you guys grow. So next is going to be the YouTube schedule. So going to be doing daily uploads. I'm going to be doing possibly a tutorial video every weekend or so. We'll have to see about that. But I'm going to get all these courses out. Like I said, depending on when you're watching this, you might already have these out or you might not. But for the most part, this is what the schedule is going to look like. Going to have a market update 9 a.m., 6 p.m., Monday through Friday. Saturday, going to have a little fun. Going to mess around on a podcast with you guys, kind of get to answer a lot of your questions that you might have. And then Sunday is going to be a previous week analysis and future week prediction. That one's going to be pretty fun. Look back at the progress that we had the week before. A lot of cool things that are going to be coming, and some of the best reads on the market, I guess you could say, are definitely going to be coming from this channel. I want you guys to understand that the amount of tools at your disposal is nothing like anything else out there. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I really have put more than enough time into making this possible. And I know that, if you guys have the patience, if you have the time, if you have the energy, you can do it. And it's all about staying self-disciplined and you guys really taking advantage of the courses, the schedule that I'm going to be having over the next, 3-4 months. We'll have to see how long I could keep the schedule up for, but I hopefully can for quite some time. But we're going to go into the last thing that this channel has to offer, which is the Discord group. All right, so this one's pretty cool. I have around 100 plus paid for group signal trade setups. Yes, may or may not be pirating a bunch of paid for group signals. If you guys do want to access that, it is completely free. Probably around $20,000-$30,000 a month worth of paid for signal groups. They have a lot of paid for group signals, Forex, stock market, any single market. You'll get a lot of these people that, they don't want to know how to trade. You guys don't want to become better traders. You just want the signals. That'll be available. But I really, really stress the fact that signals aren't everything. You need to know how to trade. You need to know how to invest. And you can survive. You could thrive with signals very, very easily if you know how to trade. You might, take some bad trade setups in that group. We are working on filtering all of those signals in the Discord to kind of get some sort of like high tier, mid tier, low tier kind of scenario where we'll track the results of all 100 of them. And yeah, they are live. So you get live updates on those when they do come out. But all right, next thing to get back onto the next thing, we have 24/7 streams of order books, open interest, and liquidation levels. These are things that you guys are probably not familiar with. I would say 99.99% of people that do invest in crypto don't use these at all. Probably even more than that for the most part. We have kind of a 24/7 streaming bot that'll be streaming these tools. They do cost quite a lot of money to run and operate, but it's going to be all paid for, all inclusive, I guess, in the Discord, and there's going to be thousands of bots that will be streaming these tools that I do have a book on that will be coming out, depending on when you're watching this video, that you guys can learn how to use these tools and really, get an edge. I mean, you really want an edge as an investor. That's one of the main things that, puts you in front of the rest and makes you not fall into the category of the 96% people that are unsuccessful trading. You really need an edge. And I would guarantee you that order books, open interest, liquidation levels are an edge that you're going to want to learn how to use, especially if you're going to be trading. So next one, custom filtered trading alerts. I have been working since my time of departure. I've been working a lot on automating my own trading, and I actually have been very successful in doing so. And I do have some filtered alerts that I will be feeding into the little trading groups that we'll have. Below that, you see trading voice chat rooms, trying to give you guys the opportunity to kind of, build some groups and have these filtered calls with these 24/7 streams. So you guys could, get your calls, go look at the order book, open interest, liquidation levels, and really get an educated trade setup in place. It's a pretty cool system, I would say. If used correctly, can really yield some very, very high accuracy, more than what most people could imagine. Like I said, 99.99% of people that trade do not use these tools. It's really interesting, and I hope you guys have enough patience and you realize the opportunity to learn these. So next thing is going to be our live session updates on BTC and altcoins. This is going to be the Asia, London, New York session updates. We're going to have those kind of automated, or we'll have either me or a few other professional traders kind of just update that, I guess, every single session. And that'll be cool because we'll be able to, talk about which coins are the most volatile, which ones we're looking at, and it'll be pretty cool. News, George, Cryptos R Us, large news events, upcoming news calendars will all be in there. Also, a bunch of research tools, a bunch of coins will be in there as well. All free, all inclusive. Vacation to Mexico. If you guys want to come to the Discord, you can. Link will be in the description. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. That's what the channel looks like, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Took a long break. It was well needed. Thousands of hours. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, want you guys to be successful, and I don't think anyone's done this with the amount of time and effort that has been put into really trying to get some sort of learning system kind of put to the best of their ability. So I'm really looking forward to hopefully catching you guys watching the course videos, and then maybe even catching you guys in Discord. All right, have a great day.